How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the nozzle size in PrusaSlicer. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the application of Prusa, and from here, click on the printers option beside filaments and printables. Now inside this page, as you can see, there's no nozzle diameter option, but what you need to do is to simply enter or connect through your printer. So just click on the plus icon right here. It's going to be right beside the X icon, add physical printer. And from here, of course, you can name this printer to whatever you want to. Now, to make things easier, I'll just go ahead and name it this way. And of course, you can select presets if you want to do that, but just click on the OK name after filling up the print host upload. After being connected with your printer, you then want to navigate through the side categories right here. Click on the extruder one, and basically inside we have the size of our nozzle diameter. So if you want to change this into something like 0.6, of course you can just enter that right here, and basically you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.